there, welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today, we are doing something a little bit different. So, you ever been a kid or an adult and wondered what it is and what it would taste like to create a candy of your own, to call your own? You know, to put a bunch of random candies together, melt them down, and then try to create something cool afterwards? If not, well, then turn away. But we want to see what happens, so that's what we're doing. We're taking some Jolly Ranchers, some Skittles, and some Gummy Bears. Why did I choose these? Well, first off, we got hard candy, we got a semi-hard candy, and we have a soft candy. So hard candy obviously is going to melt down, and you can shape it into whatever after it cools. You've got the semi-soft, which has the hard outer candy shell, and the inside is gelatinized. And then soft candy is just basically, the gummies are just gelatinous. They're, made with gelatin and sugar. So we're going to try to create all these, put them together, see if we can't melt them down and try to create the best tasting candy ever. Okay, so we've got our candies all laid out nicely. So we've got our gummies. Gummies flavored consist of cherry, lemon, lime, and orange. I'm not sure what the white is. Hold on. Pineapple? I think so. Yeah, pineapple. Skittles, grape, cherry? Wait, no. Grape, strawberry, green apple, orange, and lemon. And the starburst, you've got blue raspberry, green apple, grape, and cherry. Let's see what we can create out of this nonsense. Alright, so we unwrapped some of these already. We've actually forgot a flavor. It's watermelon. Whoops. So what we're going to do is I was going to do different flavors. I was going to try to make some tropical by creating some orange, some lemon, some limes. But you know what? I am more interested in seeing what the heck is going to happen with this. More than likely going to come out brown, nasty goo, but maybe it tastes good. So let's take half of each candy and put it in the pot. This might actually just burn up and catch a big fire, but it's okay. It'll be fun to see, right? And we'll take half of these. And that seems about right. Alright, so look at that. Fun. Now let's take this over to the burner and see what the heck is going to happen. Alright, we got all this on heat now. Basically, I've got this on a low to medium heat because I think that's a good place to start. I didn't want to put it on high because I've never done this before, and I'm pretty sure it would just burn. So if all this goes according to plan, it should all just melt down into one big goo and have a bunch of weird different flavors together. But this is part of the thing. If it doesn't work out, well, then we're just ending up with a pot full of sticky shit, and it's going to taste like crap. Oh, we'll find out. Okay, we got some melting occurring right now. Oh, the Skittles are starting to melt a little bit. So Gummy Bears are melting down really good, which I knew they would. I know the Jolly Ranchers will do the same. I just don't know how long or what temperature. And the Skittles, it looks like the hard outer shell is starting to break down a little bit. So you got a bunch of weird colors in here. It's just probably going to turn out like a disgusting looking piece, but it may taste good. Look at it, look at it. I want to kind of keep it all together so you get all the different colors, but I know that's not going to be the case soon, so enjoy it while it's here. So essentially I knew that the hard candies were going to melt down and the gummies, and why I picked gummies and not just all hard candy was because I wanted to see what the gelatin in the gummies would do and see if that maybe that would be able to keep, once it's all done, keep it into a jelly / hard consistency to make my ultimate candy. Alright, so the Jolly Ranchers are pretty much melted. Gummy Bears are gone. Just waiting to see if these Skittles are actually going to break down. So maybe that hard outer shell of theirs is preventing them from breaking down. I don't know. They look like they were melting, but... Alright, look at it now while it's all pretty and different colors, because once I mix this together, it's not going to be pretty. The grape is just going to overpower it. Let's see. Oh, it's rainbow. Rainbow to bleh, real quick. All I smell is grape. I think the grape flavoring just overpowers most of this. So maybe I shouldn't use grape. Too late. Skittles are kind of breaking down. I don't know if you can see that on camera. The outer shell is starting to come off on some of them. And then I think once that happens, the interior is just gonna melt away. Yeah, the interior melts away really fast because that's soft candy, semi-soft. Yeah, they're breaking up. Just takes a little bit longer. So if you want to make this look pretty, I think next time, if you guys want to do this at home, don't add any of the dark colored candies for obvious reasons. Just do like yellows and greens. I think that would be pretty cool. That'd make a nice color as opposed to this. I think the grape and the red just kind of ruined it. We're just gonna take this off the heat now, and we're gonna dump it on a granite counter and try to move this into some candy shapes or something. We'll see. Okay, we got it all melted here. Clean your countertop, or maybe just don't do this at all, because it might make a mess. But I've seen candy makers do stuff like this. Looks like caramel, huh? Alright, we just turned candy into caramel. Cool. So I've seen candy makers, they do stuff like this, right? Spread it out, kind of scoop it together once it starts getting a little hard, which it's doing really fast, actually. Oh, shit. Wow, that's actually working a lot faster than I expected it to. Would be ideal if you had putty knives. We do not, so this is what we got. Okay, it's a little hot. Yes. It's probably a stupid idea to just do this with no gloves, but that's what I do. Ow! This just looks like a big piece of turd. Congrats, you've just made candy poop. Does that look good? How good does that look? I want to stretch it out, but damn, the thing is hot. It's fun to play with. So it's putty consistency right now. I think that's from the gelatin and the, obviously, sugar. All right, let's let that cool off a little bit because damn, it's hot. All right, so it's cooling down a little bit more, but it's still pretty freaking hot. Starting to harden up, I can feel it. So right now would be the opportunity for you to cut little cool shapes out. Kind of like dough, just really hot, scald your face off sugar dough. Let's try to cut a little piece out, see if we can make something cool out of it. Okay, skip out on that. Cutting it is not gonna happen. You got yourself a nice brown disc. Let's try to add some Skittles on there. Because everything looks prettier with color. We could even like roll it in, like sushi style. Throw a couple Gummy Bears in there. Make like a little sushi candy roll. I think. That should be good. Alright, don't. Yes! Let's make a little candy taco. What the hell? It looks like a cigar. Oh! Well, it's now in its hard candy stage. There's no more manipulating. Well, maybe. Just so freaking strong. We have made a candy horseshoe. Let's play a game. Try to find the ultimate custom candy we just made. Can you find it? I don't think so. It is almost identical to the bright, beautiful colors that we've got going on in here. Look what we have managed to create. Almost identical to the regular candies that you could buy at the store. Wow, how good are we? Yep, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This right here, big, beautiful piece of artwork is what we managed to create by melting down a bunch of these candies. How's it taste? Really ergonomical. You can really do this. You could use it. I mean, it's like a custom lollipop. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste that bad. Here's a little piece. Okay, so my original idea of putting the gelatin in there was hoping that it would kind of off balance the hardness, so it would come out like a semi-soft candy. No, that didn't work. It's just hard lollipop style. But the flavor is honestly not that bad. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but it's not bad. Come check this out. That's what we've got, people, in all its glory. Well, now I know. I've always wondered, always wanted to try this. I've done it. Now I know. I think you should do it at home too. It's really cool. Tastes good. Doesn't taste like I thought it was gonna taste. It doesn't look like I thought it was gonna look. So I guess they kind of offset each other. Thanks for watching, guys. Click that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. Leave in the comments any interesting candies or whatever things you want me to try next, and we'll try to get those done. Yeah. Try to make this and share this beautiful thing with your friends. We'll see you next time, guys. Drunk Apron, out. Try to crack this thing open. Oh, a little. Oh, the insides didn't melt. Oh, look, it's a little. Look at that. Oh.